Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, east central York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wrightsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Lidditz, Millersville, Willow Street, Mount Joy, Red Lion, New Holland, Manheim, East Petersburg, Lella, Paradise, Salunga, Landisville, Maytown, Rothville, Strasburg, Mountville, Hallam, and Marietta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.